Hi, this is Cindy with Classrooms in the Cloud, Episode 2, Google Drive Management. When you're in your Google Drive, if you'll click on the word Drive, it will list all of the documents that are in your Google Drive. And at a glance, you can see by the icons the type of documents that are in your drive. If you hover over the icon, a tip will come out to tell you what type of file it is. So this one is a folder, this one's a document, this is a PDF, and so on. From this screen, I can also sort my documents. Currently, it's sorted by last modified. I can also change it to last edited by me, or last opened by me, or quota used. If I click on quota used, it will sort my documents and show me the largest files first. You also have the option of looking at your documents in list view, as they are right now, or you can switch to grid view so that it shows thumbnail images of all your documents. Also, if you click on this Details and Activities button, it will show you the documents that you've recently worked in, and also it will show you if you've shared a document with others, you can see if they've been working in those documents as well. As with Gmail, Google Drive has Google's powerful search features built in. If you click on the arrow, you get your advanced search options, and you can search by file type. I'll search for a PDF file. I can go back to my advanced search options, and I can say that it's a PDF that is owned by me. And then I could search for the words in the PDF that said photo story, and it would return all the documents in my drive that fit that query. Now, to close these search results and get back to the rest of your files, you can click in the X and clear the search, and that brings you back to your files. Now I'm going to change from grid view back to list view, and I'm also going to change my sort from quota to last modified. That's just the way that I prefer to have my drive open for me. One other thing I want to show you is if you click on the triangle or the arrow to the left of where it says My Drive, it will expand to show you all of the folders that you have created in your drive, and they are listed in alphabetical order. To create one of these folders to organize all of your documents, click on the Create button, click on Folder, give your folder a name, click Create, and there's your new folder that you created. Now, to move documents into my newly created sample folder, I can just simply click and drag until my sample folder is highlighted and released to move it in there. I could also check a document, and when you check a document, you're going to get some more options at the top of your drive window where I could share the document with others, which we'll talk about in more detail in another episode. I could move it to a folder here. So instead of dragging it as I did in the previous example, I could click on Move, and then I could find the folder that I want to move this document to. So let me find my sample folder. Check that folder by clicking on it and click Move, and it will move the document into the folder that way as well. Now when I click on my new sample folder, I can see the two documents that I just moved into the folder. Another thing that you can do with your folder is you can color code it. One way to color code your folder would be to hover over the folder, click on the arrow to get more options, and you could change your folder color by selecting one of the colors listed here. To get back to the documents in your drive, follow your breadcrumbs from sample back to drive, and now you see all the documents listed in your drive. And that's it, Classrooms in the Cloud, Episode 2, Google Drive Management. Thanks for watching.